Good afternoon. This is the 2022 Ford E-350 Cube Van box truck walk around startup. We're going to start out by starting it up. Hop in here. And starts up nice and easy. Purring like a kid. We'll hop out, show you the full walk around. Nice truck, power lift gate. Here's the interior. You got a door there through to the cabin, if that's what you need. I'm gonna close this like that. The power lift gate. If you want to know how that operates, text us, email us. We'll send you a video showing you how it operates, or we'll just show you when you come to pick it up. Finish walking around here. It actually has ladder racks on the top, in case you are needing to store longer things on top. It can also be used for, you know, more than just ladders. If you have like an event company or something. We'll do a tread check here on the wheels. Tread check. Underbody looking good. We've just had this fully serviced. Everything is ready to rock and roll mechanically. We've had it detailed, as you can see. It's beautiful, immaculate. And we'll end here in the cockpit. We'll take a look at all the different stuff. Got the 2 vinyl bucket seats. And then here's your dome light power, climate control radio. I believe that this is hands-free connection to your phone. So over here, look at that, look at that. Phone Bluetooth. If you go right here, this is your rear backup camera, so you can mount that wherever you want. Has the freedom to do. Here are the rest of the mounting pieces for that. We just have that down right now. There's your there's your little portal into the cargo area. And if you want more information, you can go ahead and check us out on our website, pinetreemotors.com. We have trucks, SUVs, utility vehicles, work vans, box trucks like this, sometimes bucket trucks too, all kinds of stuff. So go ahead and check us out, pinetreemotors.com. And I hope everybody has a wonderful, blessed day. All right, bye-bye.